How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to unrestrict someone on Messenger, first of all launch the Messenger application on your device over here. So let's launch the Messenger application, and as you launch the Messenger application, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and as you tap on the menu icon, simply select on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down, and under preferences you can see the option of privacy and safety, so tap on it. Now scroll down, and under who can reach your category you can see the option of restricted accounts. So let's tap on restricted accounts, and here you can see a particular profile. Now if you want to unrestrict this particular person, you can just make a long press on the person or just tap on the person over here, and here you can see the option of continue over here. So let's tap on continue and then tap on unrestrict, and there you go, you have unrestricted this particular person on Messenger. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.